Hi, my name's Connor Watkins. I'm the Director of Marketing for SCBio, the exclusive life science and economic development association for the state of South Carolina. SCBio is currently working on programs that support not only emerging companies, but companies that are at the biggest stage in terms of size. So for emerging companies, we have a new accelerator program called SCBio Drive. This is to support early stage companies that are looking to grow in a short amount of time in terms of knowledge and resources. So it will be a 6 to 7 week program that supports commercialization, drug discovery, intellectual property and legal, and 3 other business curriculums. And then on the last week, we invite those selected companies to Charleston, South Carolina, where they will meet their mentors and experts in person and also be able to present their product or service or technology to potential investors. So that is the way that we are currently supporting emerging companies. And for companies that are looking to South Carolina as a place to relocate, we have a new space called Main Street Labs. So in Main Street Labs, we are looking to build that as a life sciences hub in the upstate of South Carolina in Greenville, South Carolina, where an organization can come, select a space and a floor plan of their liking. And as long as they include a wet lab within that floor space, our developer will give them a year free of rent with a 3-year commitment. And because they are coming from out of state, they'll have the opportunity to receive relocation funding through some of our state partners. So we have a lot of opportunities for both emerging companies and companies who do not have a footprint yet in South Carolina and wish to do so. So if you want to check out more of South Carolina and how we can help you and your life sciences company, you'll go to scbio.org. That's scbio.org. We're excited to have our delegates here representing the state of South Carolina. We have 20 companies here, 40 executives here having meetings with thousands of global pharmaceutical and life sciences experts from around the world. And so we are just really excited to be here at Bio, and it has been a great benefit for not only our companies, but also our state association here at Bio 2024.